What nobody tells you about being an amputee. Hello and welcome to the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees, where hope walks again one step at a time. My name is Twiken. I'm a double amputee, below the knee, left leg, and I lost a part of my right foot due to septicemia. Yes, I'm a septicemia survivor. Today I want to talk about something that very few people understand. What nobody tells you about being an amputee, when people hear the word amputation, they only think about the hardest part, that is losing the limb. But that's not true. That's only the beginning. Nobody tells you that you also grieve. Yes, you grieve. You grieve the life you had before. You grieve your independence because suddenly you're depending on other people. You grieve the simple things you never thought twice about, like walking to the kitchen, taking a shower without assistance, driving, shopping, or even standing while making a cup of tea or coffee, or washing the dishes. Nobody tells you that your whole world changes overnight. Simple tasks suddenly require planning. You begin asking questions you never imagined you would ask. Can I get into this building? Will there be stairs? Will there be a disabled parking? And then ordinary people stop on the disabled parking, and when you ask them why, they shout at you. Will I have enough energy today? Because it is exhausting. Nobody tells you how exhausting rehabilitation can be. Nobody tells you about this. Learning to walk again is just not physical, it's emotional also. Every fall can make you question yourself. Every small victory feels enormous. It's a victory. Nobody tells you about the phantom pain, and oh boy, it can keep you out of sleep at night. You can still feel a foot or toes that are no longer there. Or it itches and it's no longer there. It's something many people struggle to understand unless they've experienced it themselves. Nobody tells you about the financial challenges. A prosthetic limb is not a luxury. It is freedom. It is independence. It's a difference between being able to work and being able not to work. Many amputees facing financial challenges. Ongoing funding is a problem. Medical aid limitations, maintenance, replacement parts, and rehabilitation. All these costs can be so overwhelming. Nobody tells you how important support becomes. Family, friends, or just a healthcare professional that can give you advice. People who encourage you when you feel like giving up. And that is what we value. I know that without the kindness and support I received, my own journey would have been so much more difficult than it has been. But there is something else nobody tells you about, and that's the upside of it. They don't tell you how strong you become. They don't tell you that one day you will smile again. They don't tell you that that you will celebrate the first time you walk again. Or the first time you realize you've done something you once thought was impossible. And that is small victories. Being an amputation changes your life forever. But that does not define your worth. You are still valuable. You still have purpose. You still have dreams. And you still have a future. That is why the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees exists. We raise awareness, to share real stories, to encourage one another, and that is very important, and to remind every amputee that you are not walking this journey alone. And if you are an amputee today, or if someone you love is an amputee, I invite you to share your story with us. The email is in the description of this video. Your story could be encouragement to someone else who needs it today. If this video touched your heart, please like, subscribe and share it so that we can reach more and more people to create greater awareness regarding amputation and the lost. Remember, from broken to brave together, you are not alone. You still have a future. And the people who are not amputees, I hope this video will encourage you to not taking the small things in life for granted. Because when you are an amputee, your whole world falls apart. But with the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees, we can take hands together and raise awareness and help amputees to walk again. Remember, from broken to brave together. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.